This is one of my favorite SketchUp extensions, the Soap, Skin, and Bubble plugin, which allows you to create a minimal surface from a set of non-planar lines. And there are additional parameters that allow you to inflate the surface based on the surface tension, which you can soften or tighten to create the curvature you're looking for. And in this case, it was the top surface of a shell for a pavilion design that I created an STL file for and 3D printed, and it turned out quite nice. In the SketchUp extension, you can also increase or decrease the segmentation of the surface to control the polygon count, which in this case we had set low. This is a look at my Revit model showing some samples of the structural space frames required to create the form of that top shell.